right, well, it's a little humid out there today, a little bit sticky, but the sunshine's nice. You know, it feels like that typical summer day, you know?
Wait until tomorrow.
I was trying not to think about it, Sean, but we do need to think about it.
It's going to be even more humid tomorrow.
Yeah.
And I think you'll definitely notice a heat index tomorrow, probably between mid-upper 90s.
Ouch.
So you will definitely feel that. So it could be a lot worse. Let's show you Victory Field as they're getting ready. They got their jersey auction tonight. It is going to be a warm one as we're at 89 right now. Dew points in the 50s. It could certainly be worse. It will be worse tomorrow. I'm telling you, you will definitely feel it. But if you're going to Victory Field or anything outdoors this evening, here's what you can expect. Temperatures remaining in the 80s. We'll get down into the 70s here by 10, 11 o'clock. So here's the deal for tomorrow. We will have areas of downpours and thunderstorms in the morning. Those should stay below severe limits, some much needed rain, and then we'll wait and watch to see how things evolve. And some of what's going to be happening here, we have to wait and see where the remnant complex of storms in the morning tracks. Where does its rain-cooled outflow set up? Because that will dictate whether or not we get a lot of action or if this stuff bypasses us. And the latter is a possibility. In between these rounds of thunderstorms or thunderstorm potential, hot and humid, it is going to be noticeably more uncomfortable tomorrow. If we do see severe storms in the afternoon, right now we're bracketing between about 3 p.m. and 8 p.m. Okay, before those storms pop up in the afternoon, 90 to locally 95 for a high, heat indices 95 to near 100. Okay, so here's the outlook. Again, this does not show the storms that we're expecting early in the morning. So we'll have to wait and see exactly where the next round develops here. There's going to be an approaching cold front. Does that front get in here quick enough that these storms that you're seeing on this particular model run are actually developing farther east? It's a possibility, okay? We have to wait and see. Check with Lindsay in the morning, but we just want you to be prepared that any storms that develop in the atmosphere that's going to be over us tomorrow could go severe rather quickly, okay? All modes of severe weather in play. By the time we get to 8 p.m. tomorrow, the threat of severe storms pretty much over into Ohio, exploding across parts of Kentucky. Then we'll transition to a cooler setup here. All modes of severe weather are in play, including possibility of some tornadoes and some of the storms with some rather large hail. So we'll be on the lookout for that. 7-day forecast. One reason we're getting the storms, we're transitioning from 93 on Sunday to upper 70s to near 80 on Monday. Another round of some rain, much needed rain and some thunderstorms around. We'll keep it cool on Tuesday, highs in the 70s. And then ramp right back up. Stay weather aware, check back for forecast updates.
All right, heating back up next weekend as well. Sean, thank you. Hot, sticky summers make us feel a little miserable, but they might be the fountain of youth for your skin. When humidity levels are low, moisture is stripped from the skin, and that leads to dry, cracked skin, lips you might notice in the winter. But humidity puts moisture back in the air and keeps your skin more hydrated, giving you a brighter complexion. It also makes wrinkles and fine lines less noticeable. Humidity, though, can be a problem if you're prone to acne.
Humidity can cause your skin to be very oily. It can cause your pores to dilate, collecting more dirt and oil throughout the day. So that can cause more acne breakouts, congestion, and blackheads.
One way to prevent breakouts is to switch up your skincare routine in the summer to include a light moisturizer and some key ingredients like salicylic acid and vitamin B3.